How to use technical analysis in Kotak Securities Trading app. Log into the app, click on Research, click on any stock, click on View Stock Details, click on Fundamentals. Under More section, you will see an option named as Technicals. Click on Technicals and you will see the technical analysis of your stock. You will see the bullish and bearish moving averages. You will see the delivery and volume by scrolling down. You will see the resistance and support. You will also see beta and change price analysis under technical section of the app.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.